To apply for a U.S. Green Card through the Diversity Immigrant Visa, DV lottery, follow these steps based on the latest guidelines from U.S. government sources. Step 1. Check eligibility. Before applying, ensure that you meet the eligibility requirements. The DV lottery is open to individuals from countries with low rates of immigration to the U.S. Additionally, you must have at least a high school education or equivalent, or 2 years of work experience in the last 5 years in an occupation requiring at least 2 years of training. Step 2. Submit your entry. During the designated registration period, typically in October, submit your entry online at the official DV Lottery website. This process is free. You must provide accurate personal information and a recent photograph that meets the specific requirements. Only 1 entry per person is allowed. Step 3. Selection and results. The U.S. Department of State randomly selects applicants. You can check the results online the following May on the official DV Lottery website using your confirmation number. If selected, you'll be directed to further instructions for obtaining your immigrant visa. Step 4. Prepare and submit forms. If you are selected, you must complete Form DS-260, the online immigrant visa application, and submit it through the Consular Electronic Application Center, CEAC. After submitting the form, you'll receive instructions for scheduling a visa interview at a U.S. embassy or consulate. Step 5. Attend the visa interview. During your visa interview, you will need to provide supporting documents such as your passport, birth certificate, and police certificates, along with the results of a medical examination. You must also pay the visa application fee. Step 6. Upon approval. If your visa is approved, you will receive a visa packet. Do not open this packet. Instead, bring it with you when you enter the U.S. After entering the U.S., your green card will be mailed to your U.S. address. What to do? If you are already in the U.S. If you are already in the U.S. under a different visa status and win the lottery, you can apply for an adjustment of status by filing Form Y-485 with USCIS. This will allow you to change your status to a permanent resident without leaving the country. For more detailed information and to stay updated with any changes, visit the website in the link below I left for you in the caption box. Preparing for your Diversity Visa DV lottery interview is crucial to increase your chances of success. Here are some key tips to help you get ready. 1. Organize your documents. Gather all required documents, passport, birth certificate, police certificates, etc. in advance, and ensure they are in order. Use a checklist to confirm you have everything needed. Ensure all documents are original or certified copies as specified by the U.S. Embassy or Consulate. 2. Complete the DS-260 form accurately. Double-check your DS-260 form before submitting it to ensure all information is accurate and matches your supporting documents. Print the confirmation page and bring it with you to the interview. 3rd, medical examination. Schedule your medical examination with an approved physician well before your interview. Bring your vaccination records and any other required medical documents. The medical report is usually sent directly to the U.S. Embassy or Consulate, but confirm whether you need to bring anything with you. 4. Review your application. Be familiar with all details of your application, including your personal information, educational background, and work experience. You should be able to answer questions confidently. 5. Practice common questions. Practice answering common visa interview questions, such as, why do you want to move to the U.S.? What do you plan to do once you arrive in the U.S.? How will you support yourself financially? Be honest and concise in your answers. 6. Dress professionally. Wear business or business casual attire to your interview. Your appearance should convey respect and seriousness. 7. Arrive early. Plan to arrive at the U.S. Embassy or consulate at least 15 to 30 minutes before your scheduled interview time. This helps reduce stress and ensures you have time to go through security. 8. Be honest and transparent. Always provide truthful answers during the interview. Any discrepancies or false information can lead to denial of your visa. 9. Stay calm and confident. Interviews can be nerve-wracking, but staying calm and confident can make a positive impression. Take deep breaths if you feel anxious. 10. Understand your rights and responsibilities. Be aware of the rights and responsibilities of a U.S. permanent resident. Understanding these shows that you are prepared for life in the U.S. 11. Prepare for possible follow-up questions. Be prepared for additional questions or requests for further documentation. If the consular officer requires more information, respond promptly. 12. Know what happens next. After the interview, the consular officer will inform you if your visa is approved or if further administrative processing is required. Make sure you understand the next steps. By preparing thoroughly and presenting yourself well, you improve your chances of a successful outcome in your DV lottery interview.